The costs of digital forms of money are driven by many elements, including media publicity, reception rate, lawful, criminal operations, and organic market. This large number of variables make directing a specialist examination of cryptographic money vital in the present market. The RISE is another task in the digital currency world that has acquired prominence in light of turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the forward leap of the year. We'll cover the Bitgert undertaking's subtleties, track down the solutions to the most well-known questions, and notice some Brise cost expectations, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0, and Brise is as of now position no. 185 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Bitgert is $117,014,720.06, with a market cap of 395,688,215,721,653 Brise. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Brise has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 15.96%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 35.61%, adding a gigantic typical measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Bitgert Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0. The most extreme level that the Brise cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Brise value gauge for May 2023. In light of the value changes of Bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0 May 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. June 2023, Bitgert Value Gauge cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Brise cost in June 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0. Brise value gauge for July 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Bitgert in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal Brise rate they anticipate may be around $0 July 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. August 2023, Bitgert value gauge around mid-year 2023. The Brise cost will be exchanged at $0 and large. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 August 2023. Brise value conjecture for September 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Bitgert costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2023, $0. The most minimal and top Brise rates may be $0. October 2023, Bitgert value figure. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Brise cost will be around $0. In October 2023, the Bitgert cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0. October 2023. Brise value figure for November 2023. Having broke down Bitgert costs, digital money specialists expect that the Brise rate could arrive at a limit of $0 November 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0. For November 2023, the estimated normal of Bitgert is almost $0. December 2023, Bitgert value conjecture around mid-2023, the Bitgert cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto experts expect that in December 2023, the Brise cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Bitgert in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Bitgert will be around $0. The greatest expected Brise cost might be around $0. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0 2024. Bitgert Value Forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Bitgert, in 2025, Brise is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Bitgert and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base BRISE cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Bitgert by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least BRISE costs are normal in 2027, $0. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Bitgert. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical BRISE cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0, yet it actually could reach $0 through 2028. Bitgert Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready figures at the cost of Bitgert. It is assessed that BRISE will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Bitgert Value Expectation 2030. Digital money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Bitgert's cost. The year 2030 still up in the air by the most extreme BRISE cost of $0. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of examination of the Bitgert cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their BRISE cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $0, with the conceivable greatest tops at $0. Overall, you can anticipate that the BRISE cost should be around $0 2031. Bitgert Value Expectation 2032. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Bitgert's cost. The year 2032 not set in stone by the greatest BRISE cost of $0. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. What is Bitgert BRISE? This year, Bitgert is among the most astonishing cryptographic money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It promotes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade. In spring 2022, the BRISE wallet was coordinated into the Bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell 20 Cruzado tokens. There are various unanswered inquiries regarding the Bitgert project. For example, who makes up its staff, how solid its blockchain is, and the way in which it utilizes promoting. Bitgert's standing is discolored on the web. In view of the absence of excellent first individual data, the undertaking is encircled by a great deal of hypothesis and tales. Its appearance led to an immense number of reports. The crypto local area focused on the dubious comparability of this picture with the consequences of simulated intelligence-based photograph generators. That large number of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a longing to save privacy. The sketchy showcasing strategies utilized by the task group are dubious too. In this way, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They composed a lot of recordings about